This program is brought to you by Health Department, Government of Goa, National Health Mission, Rashtriya Kishor Swasthya Karyakram.
हॅलो एंड वेलकम टू युवा हेल्थ आणि आज परत एक फावट आमी एका नव्या कॉलेजीन आयिल्ले आसा आणि मडगांव हांगासर रोजरी कॉलेज जी नावेली आसा त्या कॉलेजीन ह्या पयलीं युवापंथी खेळपा खातीर हांगासर आमी आयिल्ले खूब मजा मस्ती आयले भुरगे इतले बरे खूब सपोर्टीव तांचे कडेन उलोवन खूब बरें दिसलें परत एक फावट आयज युवा हेल्थ ही कार्यावळ घेवन आमी हांगासर आयिल्ले आसा पळोवया ह्या भुरग्यांक कितले आपल्या हेल्था बद्दल खबर आसा ते अँड तांचे कडल्यान जाणा जावन घेवया जायते प्रश्नाची उत्तरां आनी कांय गेम सुद्दां खेळुया सो जस्ट चॅक इट आउट.
राष्ट्रीय किशोर स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम आमी ताका RKSK program म्हणटा. This program is a Government of India program which is implemented all over the country. It is some years that we have already started this program, rolled out this program in Goa, and we have extended it over all the 12 talukas of the state.
ओके सगळे जाण बाईक चलयता कोण कोण चलयना ते म्हाका आज सांगा हात वर करा. ओके दोग जाण बाईक चलयना. ओके लायसन्स आहा शुअर सगळ्यां कडेन लायसन्स आहा कोणा कडेन लायसन्स ना आनी बाईक चलयता. ओके व्हेरी गुड. ओके चले गाडयो फास्ट चलयता का चलया फास्ट चलयता गाडयो? चलया फास्ट चलयता. व्हॉट यू थिंक? चले चलयता.
Depends. कोणा फास्ट वचपा जाय ते.
एंड वाय दे रायड फास्ट?
Because probably they're more used to it.
Because it depends. Some people just go for show off, and
Show
some
off.
go if they have important work. Depends.
Exactly, show off and
Show off basically.
basically show off. Anything else?
Impress girls. Same thing.
Okay, anything else?
Maybe
Why?
because they are always in a hurry. They don't keep calm, so they ride fast.
Young blood.
Style Especially चली फाटल्यान बसला किंवा सायडीन उबे आसा जाल्यार. When they are angry.
Angry.
Show मारपा.
I have a habit of riding fast.
Habit of riding fast.
जर एक मनशाचेर डिपेंड आसता ते कोणाक स्टायली मारूंक जाय कोणाक हे चेडवाक पेटोवंक जाय मागीर कोणाक हे खूब कितें आसता न्हू.
ओके तीन चार हांगासर ऑप्शन्स आयले आमकां. वन इज इन हरी बेगीन पावपाक जाय म्हणून, सेकंड इज स्टायली मारपाक, थर्ड इज चलयांक इम्प्रेस करपाक आनी फोर्थ इज एक यूज टू जाल्ले आसा यंग ब्लड त्या खातीर. वीच इज रायट ऑप्शन? वॉट यू थिंक? फोर्थ वन हां टू इम्प्रेस गर्ल. ओके fourth one is also like young blood and used to it. Drinking and driving करपा जाय खबर आसा. ओके वाय कितें जावपाक शकता?
ड्रिंकिंग म्हळ्यार मनीस सारको कॉन्शियस आसना, फूल जाम आसता, केन्ना वचून मारपा शकता आनी गाडी चलयता तेका खबर आसना तो कितलो स्पीड वयता गाडी घेवन आनी खंय वयता मागीर तेन्ना वचून मुखार चडयता गाडी.
परफेक्ट आन्सर ताका कितें आसतलें? ड्रिंक केल्या उपरांत गाडी चलोवपाक जायना हाजें रिजन कितें?
Because you're not in your right mind. It's because first of all your central system itself, you can't think anything. You're driving just because your hands are there but your mind is not operating it.
When you're drinking and driving, you first put your life in stake and then even other people on the road.
I guess when a person drinks, so he's not conscious and he doesn't know.
You're not in a state to drive properly because you have drunk, so that's it. The person is entirely intoxicated.
The person has no control over his brain and he can
Focus.
he loses focus. They meant with an accident and take other people's life also.
It causes problems for the other person. The person is not in his senses, so then he can meet with an accident and cause some injuries.
बिकॉज तू कंट्रोल आसता तुजे हातीचे मागीर केन्ना तूं सायडीन
डिसकंट्रोल नासता म्हणजे कितें जाता एक्चुअली?
ते वेगळ्याच हातून आसता. दे आर नॉट इन देअर सेन्सीस टू ड्रायव्ह. दुसऱ्याचो एक्सिडंट जावपाक शकता.
Accident and murder.
हाव वाय इट इज डेंजरस? हाव?
First of all, the person is not conscious. Second, he doesn't know what is going on in his mind. He doesn't care about others' life also. What a fuck.
He is not conscious like.
You don't be in your senses.
You're not fit to drive.
Don't have control on your actions.
You lose your senses and that might lead to accidents.
You basically lose your control and all. You are not able to drive properly.
You can meet with an accident and also put other people into
But
trouble.
how? What happened after drinking? Accident मागीर जाता, but
They doesn't have control on their self.
Causes many accidents.
First of all, they do not have sense of what they are doing. So obviously they will do something wrong and crash into somebody.
It's not the person who rides the bike, but the bike rides the person. It's like that situation.
First of all, you harm yourself and harm the other person who is coming opposite if you met in an accident.
Drinking and driving कित्या खातीर dangerous?
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's doing actually and what might be the consequences of it.
Like when he's drunk, he's not conscious what to do. Like if a person's coming, he can hit the other person. He may lose his life and lose someone else's life also.
While drinking and driving, the driver is very unconscious and he doesn't know what he's doing at that moment.
It's dangerous also because you also put yourself in trouble and also the people maybe who are walking on the streets and all, it possesses a dread for them also.
Kills many people and many accidents take.
Save your life, that's better. Because you lose your balance and then you're putting yourself also in danger and others' life also in danger.
Okay, drinking and driving is dangerous. Yes, it's prolong your decision-making capacity. Like if you are taking decision in 3 seconds, it will prolong to 10 seconds or 9 seconds, and after that, anything can happen. Like most of the time, drinking and driving is dangerous because of this. It prolongs your decision-making power, and you end up with an accident or end up with fatal accidents also. यूथ आसा तांकां प्रॉब्लम आसता सगळ्यांक तुमकां आसतलें कितें ना कितें तरी प्रॉब्लम which leads to depression also sometime. Yeah? What type of problem youth are facing? What you think? तुमच्या कडल्यान जाय what type of problems you are facing or youth are facing nowadays? Most of the time. Like 4 major problems I want to know.
First would be anger, because even for small situations also youth gets angry very quickly.
Mostly youth, like what happens is that they don't take the things lightly. Like whatever happens, if they don't like, they do whatever they want. They don't what is that? And then if they say someone says something bad to them, they take it to their self. They'll take ego, attitude problem and stuff, and then they go to wrong stuff and then spoil their lifestyle.
Suppose if someone makes fun of some person, suppose if a person is thin, okay, so people try to make fun of that person, or maybe he is not mentally bright enough. So some people take it very in a serious way. They go into depression, or sometimes parents force you to do some things which you don't want to do, so you go into depression.
So yeah, parent issues कारण तुमकां खंय तरी दुसरे कडेन स्ट्रिमीन वचपाचें आसता. Even peer pressures also.
When a person is emotionally hurt also, he goes into depression or stress. Emotionally, it can be from parents also.
So family issues, parenting, and
Nowadays, everyone's online, and then they really get isolated from the people who really care for them. And online trolling all makes them feel depressed.
It's peer pressure asta.
Peer pressure and
family. Like some people like think of job, how they'll work, how they learn. That is the main problem like of youth nowadays.
Mostly cyberbullying, because once you upload anything and anybody comments something mean, you might take it to personal and just go into depression yourself. And another thing is thinking about material things, always about money, what to do next, rather than thinking about the next day.
कित्या खातीर चड डिप्रेशन और चड मेंटल हेल्थ आमची खालावता?
Lack of communication, insecurities relating to bodies and thinking, and being criticized for what you want to move forward for, and then suddenly being demotivated by the people you expect motivation from, and that leads to depression.
Like depression, stress.
Why?
Maybe like family problems.
Peer pressure.
Unemployment, financial problems, love problems.
Personal problems, as well as future.
Body shaming, being humiliated. And sometimes you don't have any stress, any issue, you are just an overthinker and you are building stress and you don't know for what you are building that stress.
Peer pressure.
Yeah, sometimes people meet with accidents and stuff, and it really affects us because even we get scared after watching all those things. Yeah.
One can be molestation.
Yes.
Family problems.
Family problem.
When they're not close enough to their parents and they cannot disclose their things. Maybe family issues or even relationship issues.
Academic stress.
Relationships problems and about job and all.
Some people get bullied
and it's how you take in, if you want to take it like positively, try to teach it. But some people, they obviously insecurities that he said, they kind of keep it in, hold that pain.
Relationships,
Relationship, okay.
then family problems,
Family problem.
financial.
Okay. What problem do
financial
you
stability.
have?
I don't have any problem.
About how I think even elders look at our generation. Most of them, like commonly, they come to a common conclusion about all the children, you know, the whole youth. They have these common, like common judgments about all of us, and then they imply these judgments to all these children, which might obviously differs from child to child. And these common judgments, when they apply to everybody, everyone, so a child will of course feel left back. He'll be thinking that why am I subjected to such a thing, and that of course leads to depression.
Study
And
breakup.
Breakups,
family problems.
family issues,
Mostly exams and boyfriend death,
exams
breakups
and
and all.
boyfriend related problems,
Failure.
failure,
Rejections in life.
rejection in life.
Post-traumatic disorder. Post-traumatic disorder.
Youth आजकालचे problems किती आसा तुमचे? Common problems किती आसा?
Competitive world.
Competitive world,
The stress,
stress. What kind of stress?
like studies.
Studies.
Yeah, and
Okay.
at home and all.
And college life, personal life. So no, we are not getting any education from anyone. We can't talk to anyone about what we feel. So it kind of overpowers us.
ओके खुबशे प्रश्न आशिल्ले, खुबशे आन्सरूय मेळ्ळे म्हाका तातूंत. वन इज लायक पेरंट तुमकां कितें सांगता, पेरंट सांगता आनी तुमकां तें करचेंच पडटा. हो एक प्रेशर आसता तुमचेर. ह्या प्रेशरांतल्यान खुबदां मेंटली आमी वीक जाता किंवा डिप्रेशनान सुद्दां वचपाची शक्यता आसता. देन वॉट यू सेड, कॉम्पिटिटीव वर्ल्ड, पियर प्रेशर तो करता आपल्याक ताजे कशें बरें करपाक जाय, किंवा ह्या वर्ल्डान मागीर सायबर बुलिंग, कारण तुवें कितें पोस्ट केलो जाल्यार ताजेर तुका खुबशे कमेंट अशे गावतात जे यू कॅनॉट इमॅजीन समटायम. एंड मॅनी थिंग लायक तुमी जे आन्सर्स दिल्या पळय, एक हांगासर एक आन्सर मेळिल्लो की आमकां उलोवपाक एकदां कोण नासता. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू शेअर समथींग, वी कॅनॉट शेअर विथ युअर फ्रेंड, बिकॉज कदाचित तो आनीक कोणाक सांगतलो काय, किंवा ते आनीक कोणाक सांगतले काय, अशे प्रश्न येता. यू हॅव कावन्सिलर इन युअर कॉलेज, रायट? You share your things with them? Never. Okay. This is called Yuva Clinic in Primary Health Center. Ma'am will tell you about the Yuva Clinic.
Yuva Clinic is all started for adolescent girls, wherein actually we start this program called as RKSK, what sir has told you all. Right from your school, you all must be receiving something iron and folic acids in your school time. Yeah, so that was one of the program which was started by RKSK. Okay, WIPS distribution tablet from 6th standard till we give the child is 18 years. Why do we give this WIPS tablet? Anybody knows the importance of it? Have you all taken during your school time? Every Monday you all used to take, right? Huh? You all have not taken? Yeah. Why it was given? Let me also come to know how much you all know about adolescent. What is the full form of WIPS? You all have been taking that tablet, right? Every week you all take. You all don't know what you all have been taking? Huh? It's called weekly iron and folic acid. Okay? That is because we have seen a lot of anemia happening in children right from childhood, so that you all don't get complications later, especially ladies during when they conceive and you don't get problem, because folic acid deficiency leads to neural tube defects in the child. Okay, you all must have seen some children who are born with half skull. Okay, some brain can be seen and all. So those, to just avoid that, so we start this giving iron and folic acid.
Okay, so basically तुमचे जे कितें मनातले आसा तुमी शेअर करपाक शकता, आणि they will provide you with the solution. And केन्ना जर आनी कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा तुमचे, विजीट करात जस्ट युवा क्लिनिक, बिकॉज तुमच्या खातीरूच आसा हे सगळे युवा क्लिनिक्स जे पुराय गोंयभर आसा इन प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर.
During adolescence, there are certain peculiar problems, like there are physical and psychological changes, And today there is a lot of peer pressure, pressure from the social media. All this could cause a decrease in self-esteem, self-image issues, and so many other problems.
The next question will be on after depression. जास्त फावटी आम्ही कितें करतात रे? What the youth do after depression?
Talking to friends.
They get addicted to drinks and drugs.
Yes, they get addicted to smoking, drinks. Do you think smoking is a gateway to drugs intake? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah, definitely.
तू कित्याक भितर येतलो? What do you think? Like
Yeah, starting.
Starting part. Okay. Do you think? Yes. So smoking, alcohol consumption or drugs intake करतात. It is good or bad? Bad. You know. All of you know it is bad. Okay. Still you will be knowing some person in your around or your friend. कशें help करतले? What do you think? How to help your friend to move out of this?
आयचे जे आसा सगळे ऑफर करपाचे आसता भुरगे. कोण फ्रेंड्स मेळ्ळो कोणूय मेळ्ळो ऑफर करता पयलीं तूं घे तूं वाचोवपाक गेल्यार तुका भायर काडना ते तुका भितर घेतले पयलीं हां सो ताका आतां सांगपा लागून ताका ते सांगपा जाय पळय तुजी फॅमिली कितें आसा तूं तांकां सपोर्ट करपा जाय मुखार वचून तूं हें सगळें सोडून हिंगा वेस्ट काही इनकम येवपाना तुका कितें ते कामां लाग कितें मोतयें घालून ताका थिंगच्यान भायर काडपा जाय
एक्झॅक्टली वॉट यू थिंक
Yeah, what I feel personally is if you have a true friend who will actually talk to you about it, he'll actually sit down and explain to you, know why he's upset about. If you can help him out, so do that and try to help him out of his depression, help him to get rid of his addiction.
I'll try and talk to him personally, like what made him do that and all, and I'll try and convince him not to stop it.
I will ask him about his problems, like what he's going through and how and I'll try my best like to get him out of this problem.
First of all, I will talk to him and ask what are the problems which he had and try to solve his problems and try to tell him to stop all these things.
Try talking to him and know what is his problem, and then like when he tells you his problem, try to tell him that don't involve in all this thing as it will like eventually spoil your health and all.
Okay, in depression आम्ही खूपशा फावटी cigarette smoking or alcohol consumption or drugs घेता. First thing you have to do is to come out of depression, to help your friend. Positive thinking is must. Help your friend to think positive or show them positive videos or videos जे तुमका positive thinking वयर हाडपा शकता or negative thinking तुमची suppress करपा शकता. डेली पॉझिटिव्ह विचार करा पॉझिटिव्ह तांकां एक एनर्जी पास करा पॉझिटिव्हली तांचे कडेन अप्रोच जाया और तांकां पॉझिटिव्ह विचार करपाक बेसिकली सांगात तांकां सेकंड इज वॉट आय थिंक पर्सनली इज हेल्पिंग अदर्स नॉट ओनली युअर फ्रेंड्स रस्त्यार सुद्दां कोणाक हेल्प जाय हेल्प देम विजीट ऑर्फनेज और ओल्ड एज होम्स वचात तांचे कडेन उलयात तुमकां खुबशे तुमचे नॅगेटीव एनर्जी आसा ती कमी जातली बिकॉज तुका त्या टायमार एक वेगळी फिलींग येता विजीट करात पळयात एक हॅपीनेस तुमच्या मदीं वाडटलें थर्ड इज एक्सरसाइज डेली एक्सरसाइज करा आउटडोर गेम्स खेळा आउटडोर नॉट पबजी आउटडोर खेळा सो 20-25 मिनिट्स तुमचे जर एक्सरसाइज करीत चलत तुमच्या बॉडीक मातशें काम मेळत जाल्यार अगेन तुमकां स्वताक बरें दिसतलें तुमचें मेंटली विचार करपाची तुमची शक्त वाडटली अँड इन दॅट यू कॅन reduce your depression or you can bring up your positive energies. And fourth is nutrition, like you have to have a good food. Okay, कितले जाण हांगासर फास्ट फूडान वता फास्ट फूड लायक जंक फूड्स कितले खातात नेवर कोण आनी कोण ओके हाऊ मच लायक वीकली 7 days a week वे sometime like 4 days per week not regularly okay so junk foods कमी करा घरचें जेवण जेवा तातूंत तुमकां खुबशे प्रॉब्लम्स आसा तुमचे कमी जातले सो बरें जेवण जेवपूय खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा when you are in such type of situation so help your friend and take them out from this situation if they are in such kind of situation okay
सबस्टन्स अब्यूज आता स्मोकिंग टबॅको हॅबिट्स टबॅको च्युविंग अल्कोहॉल हेय बी प्रमाण आमच्या गोंयान वाडिल्ले दिसता सो जे आमचे किशोर अवस्थेन जे भुरगे आसता दे सकम टू पियर प्रेशर व्हेरी इजिली. सो हे पियर एज्युकेशनाचो प्रोग्रामूय आमच्या एडॉलसंट हेल्थ किंवा RKSKन आसा, वेर वी आर choosing some of the students to educate their colleagues and their peers. And one of the most important thing is how to not get into addiction, especially of alcohol, tobacco and drugs. So तो एक आमचो एक full fledged peer education program चालू आसा.
So next is anemia. What do you know about anemia? Madam आता सांगलेले. What is anemia?
It's a disease. It is a less count of red blood cell.
You don't have proper nutrients in your body, so you're kind of weak.
Low iron in the blood.
Low iron content in your blood, which leads you to blood loss, and you even if you have your blood again, it doesn't store inside your body.
Lack of iron. A person becomes weak. The bones of a person becomes weak. So yeah.
What is
iron deficiency?
Iron deficiency. Okay.
Anemia.
Yeah. What is it?
Blood count goes down.
Red blood counts. जर तुमकां हे वाडोवपाक जाय, बरे तरेन रावपाक जाय, तांचे एक एनेमिया मुक्त भारत म्हणून एक अभियान आसा. सो इन दॅट वॉट यू हॅव टू डू इज इनटेक आयर्न बऱ्या प्रकारचे आसपाक जाय. एंड येस, तुमकां सगळ्यांक हेल्थाचें जर पडलां जाल्यार तुमी कदाचित एकदां तरी सर्च मारतले की खंयचे न्यूट्रिशन जे आमकां विटामीन जाय फॉर एनेमिया मुक्त जावपाक जाय जाल्यार हाजे बद्दल स्टडी करात, आयर्न इनटेक करात, रिच सोर्सीस ऑफ आयर्न सगळे कितें आसा ते घेवपाक शकतले. ओके.
इतले क्वेश्चन आन्सर जाल्या उपरांत आमी चिंतले की भुरग्यां खातीर एक गेम घेवया. गेम भरपूर सिंपल आशिल्ली. कॉन्फिडन्स सेपरेट करपाक जाय, ते सुद्दां एकाच कलरचे स्ट्रॉच्या आधारान. पळोवया ही गेम कोण जिखता ते.
ओके, युअर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाव. Three, 2, 1, stop. How many? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Your time starts now. Only white. 12 is the highest number, okay? Your time stop in 3, 2, 1. The time starts now. Only white. Seconds remaining. Five seconds. And time ends in 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, I'll consider that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Okay. The time starts now. Nice. Quickly. And 3, 2, 1 and stop. Sure 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And your time starts now. Anyways, thank you. दोघा मनशामध्ये सध्या टॉस झाली असा पळोवया नुसतं टॉस कोण जिंकता त्याच्यानंतर फर्स्ट कोण वता तो टॉस जिंकता तो डिसिजन घेतलो आपण फर्स्ट वयतलो काय सेकंड वयतलो तो सो रेडी कोण मागता टॉस ओके हेड इट्स अ टेल व्हाट यू वांट you have to now you have to and your time starts now come on fast 1 quick. Five seconds remaining. And in 3, 2, 1, stop. Time starts now. Fifteen seconds remaining. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you. एकदा टाळ्या मारा त्याच्याकडे. Okay, we have the winner with us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.